Hello and welcome to Powerful PowerPoint. In this session, we'll be covering audio. There are two ways that you can insert audio into your PowerPoint presentations. So one of the ways is by inserting audio from your device, and the other one is by recording it. Now, to get to the inserting audio function, you need to go to the Insert tab in your ribbon, and then come all the way along to Audio. Now, when you click on audio, you'll get those two options, audio on my PC and record audio. Now, if you click on record audio, you'll get this record sound pop-up appear. Then here you can hit the record icon to begin recording your audio. If you dislike it for any reason because you've made a mistake, you can hit the stop button and hit cancel and do another one. You can also record again, so if I hit record, I don't like it, I'm going to hit record again and it starts from 0 as you saw there. You can also play what you recorded. I'm going to hit record again and it starts from 0 as you saw there. And it literally plays what you recorded. If you're happy with it, you can hit OK and you'll get this sort of speaker appear on your slide. If you don't want it visible on your slide, but you want it in the background playing audio, you can just move it to the side over here. And then you can come all the way up to playback. You can trim the audio. You can then play it automatically. If you don't like something, you can shorten it. It starts from 0 as you saw there. And once you're happy, you can hit OK and it will do that. The same controls are in place as there were when you were recording videos and recording there. So you can change the volume, for example, low, medium or high. And you can also save it by right-clicking and clicking Save Media As. And inserting audio from your device. If you click on audio and audio on my PC, you'll get your local device, and here you can then click on an audio you want to insert, and we're just going to insert this one. And if we hit play, we hear it also plays as well. So those are the two ways that you can insert audio. Stay tuned for more powerful PowerPoint.